Hi guys, welcome back. So you've requested more videos about phonetics, pronunciation, so I made this video as a beginning to a series of videos so we could practice different sounds together. We're going to start with the short vowel uh. You could find it in words like bit, 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 or big, 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 or bin, bin, bin. You can even find it in bill, bill, bill. There are many words that use the sound uh. Put 2 fingers on our throat while pronouncing the sound uh. Can you feel your throat uh, 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 uh. Okay, now I'm going to give you a few steps to improve your pronunciation, not just for this sound, but for any other sound in the English language. The first step is to hold a mirror or stand in front of a mirror and look at your face. Focus on your mouth, your tongue. Notice your throat as you pronounce the sound. Try to pronounce different sounds and compare how your mouth and tongue produce the sound. The second step is to practice. Hold the timer and set it to 5 minutes. Then repeat the sound, the same sound, using different words, as I did in the beginning of the video. Another thing you could do is record yourself. Just put your cell phone or mobile next to your mouth and try to produce the sound as clearly as you can. Bit, bit, bit. Record yourself and compare your pronunciation with mine. Are they the same? Try to improve your pronunciation by recording and giving yourself feedback. One more thing I really recommend you to do, and it will improve your pronunciation for words that you have never seen before, is to learn how to transcribe. I'm going to help you learn the IPA transcription, International Phonetics Alphabet, and we're going to practice them together on eslwithhumaid.com. I'm going to give you tons of exercises and a lot of examples to help you practice transcription. When you get good at transcription, you're going to be able to read any word that you find, even if you've never ever seen it before. The last thing I recommend that you should do is transcribe a lot. Write words, all the words that come to your mind, and then transcribe them. It means write the symbols that show you how this word is pronounced. After you do this, you keep the lists of your transcriptions so you could look at them in the future. Always keep your lists so you could revise them every now and then, because transcription and being a master of transcription is going to help you really improve your pronunciation of words, not just the words that you already know, but even words that you have never seen before. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, press like, and if you want to see more videos like this one, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Thank you so much. Bye.